Imagine walking through your front door after a long day, and instead of tripping over shoes, backpacks, and toys, you're greeted by a peaceful, organized space. The kitchen counters are clear, the living room feels inviting, and everything has its place. For many busy parents, this scenario might seem like a distant dream. Clutter creeps in so easily. School papers pile up, laundry multiplies, and before you know it, chaos reigns supreme. But what if I told you that organizing your home like a professional is not only possible, but can be done without stress or overwhelm, even with a packed family schedule? The first step toward a clutter-free home is understanding why clutter accumulates in the first place. Studies suggest that a staggering 80% of the clutter in our homes is never actually used. It's made up of items we've outgrown, duplicates, things we might need someday, or gifts that don't quite fit our style. These objects take up valuable space, both physically and mentally, making our homes feel crowded and our minds feel burdened. As a parent, this clutter can add an extra layer of stress to your already busy life, making daily routines more challenging. So, how do professional organizers tackle the mess? They start with a simple but powerful mindset shift. Organizing is about making life easier, not perfect. You don't need to achieve picture-perfect closets or pristine pantries overnight. Instead, focus on progress, not perfection, and commit to small, consistent changes that add up over time. Begin with a decluttering session. Pick one space, a drawer, a shelf, or a corner of a room, and set a timer for 15 minutes. You don't have to tackle the entire house at once. Professional organizers know the magic of breaking tasks into bite-sized chunks. As you declutter, ask yourself 3 questions about each item. Do I use this? Do I love this? Does this serve my family's needs? If the answer is no, let it go. Donate, recycle, or toss items that no longer fit your lifestyle. Involve your children in the process by turning decluttering into a game or challenge. For example, see who can fill a donation box the fastest, or who can find the most unused items in their room. Once you've pared down your belongings, the next step is storage solutions. Professional organizers swear by the mantra, everything has a home. When every item in your house has a designated spot, it's easier for everyone, kids included, to maintain order. Start with clear labeled bins for toys, art supplies, and seasonal clothing. Use vertical space with shelves and hooks to keep floors clear and maximize storage. In shared spaces like the entryway, set up a simple command center, a tray for keys, a basket for incoming mail, and hooks for bags and jackets. In the kitchen, group similar items together, snacks in one bin, baking supplies in another, to make meal prep and cleanup a breeze. But organizing isn't just about containers and labels. It's about creating routines that support your family's unique needs. Professional organizers know that the secret to an organized home is consistency. Establish daily and weekly habits, like a 5-minute tidy-up before bedtime, or a Sunday afternoon reset where everyone pitches in to put things back in their place. Use checklists or visual reminders to help children remember their responsibilities. Over time, these small rituals will become second nature, reducing stress and keeping clutter at bay. Time management is another crucial piece of the puzzle, especially for busy parents. With hectic schedules and endless to-do lists, finding time to organize can feel impossible. The trick is to weave organizing into your existing routines. For example, sort paperwork while waiting for dinner to cook, or fold laundry while catching up on your favorite show. Set aside regular power hours for the whole family to tackle one area together. Remember, organizing doesn't have to be an all-or-nothing affair. Celebrate small wins, like clearing off the kitchen table or organizing the shoe rack, and build on them each day. Professional organizers also recommend streamlining your home environment by minimizing decision fatigue. Store like items together, keep everyday essentials within easy reach, and create drop zones for frequently used items. In the bathroom, use drawer dividers to separate toiletries, and in the bedroom, rotate seasonal clothes to keep closets manageable. Simplify morning and evening routines by laying out clothes the night before, prepping lunches in advance, and keeping backpacks packed and ready by the door. Another powerful strategy is embracing the one-in, one-out rule. When you bring in something new, a toy, a book, or a piece of clothing, choose one item to donate or discard. This habit keeps clutter from creeping back in and helps children learn the value of intentional ownership. Similarly, conduct seasonal declutter days, where the whole family reviews what's no longer needed and makes space for what matters most. As you implement these organizing strategies, pay attention to the emotional impact of a tidy home. Professional organizers often talk about how decluttering and organizing can reduce stress, improve focus, and foster a sense of calm. For parents, an organized space creates smoother mornings, easier bedtime routines, and more time for what truly matters, connecting with your family. You'll find it's easier to host playdates, tackle homework, and enjoy hobbies when your home supports your lifestyle. Remember, organizing is a journey, not a destination. There will be seasons when your home feels messier than you'd like, holidays, busy school weeks, or unexpected events. But with a foundation of simple systems and routines, you can bounce back quickly and keep chaos in check. Involve your children in the process, share responsibilities with your partner, and treat organizing as a family affair. The goal isn't to create a showroom, but a sanctuary where everyone feels comfortable and supported. To recap, organizing your home like a professional starts with decluttering unused items, creating smart storage solutions, and building consistent routines. By breaking tasks into manageable steps and weaving organizing into daily life, busy parents can transform their homes from cluttered to calm, one small effort at a time. Imagine the relief of knowing where everything is, the joy of walking into a tidy room, and the freedom to spend more time on what you love. Organizing doesn't have to be overwhelming or time-consuming. With the right strategies, you can create a serene and functional home that nurtures your family and makes life easier for everyone. If you found these tips helpful and want more strategies for creating a peaceful, organized home, don't forget to subscribe. Together, we'll tackle the chaos and make home a place you love to be.